We have been told severally in our schools and whenever we meet somebody to give us a counsel that education is the key to life. And we grew up trying our level best to acquire that key. Now, some of us have got that key. But where is the life? Apparently, some of us were given keys and the padlocks never existed at all. And to others, apparently we've got the keys, but we haven't figured out which one is the padlock to the key. Maybe they were right, maybe they were not, by telling us education is the key to life. What I feel is that it could have been right, but we were directed in a wrong direction.